In Ezra chapter 3, the returned exiles lay the temple foundations, marking a hopeful restart after years of exile. They gather, sing, and weep as the altar is restored, balancing worship with the work of rebuilding God's house. The leaders remind the people that courage is obedience amid rubble, guided by God's steadfast promise. May viewers find their own rebuilding moments, where patience and prayer meet concrete action. Prayer, Lord, grant faith to rebuild what is broken, grace to persevere, and timing beyond our understanding.